All right, greetings, Sportsters. I'm getting ready to open up your new assignment, and it is what's the date? It's February 5th, and I should give you. I'll give you until this is chapter 2. Now, remember, we're going to start running out of semester as we go through because we've got 7 chapters to do. Should take us about every 2 weeks or so. This one I'm going to give you 13 days because I want to get back on the Monday schedule. I think I need to change the syllabus because I made the due dates on Friday, which I thought, well, that's stupid. Because a lot of you are working adults and stuff like that, and you probably want the weekend to work on the things. And since I don't have to grade it, since a stupid machine grades your smart work, which is not right, but that's just the way it is. Uh, uh, I decided I decided to make the due dates on Monday at 11:59, so that you'll have at least 2 weekends to work on it. If I make it due on Monday, then or if I make it due on Friday, every Friday, then do you still get 2 weekends? Yeah, maybe. Well, you get that first Friday when it's first assigned, but you don't have time to run into it. At least this way you get notified about it, and you can do something about it. I checked out the things, and you guys tore it up on the first assignment, so that's great. Some of you didn't. Some of you didn't. Some of you didn't do. You just didn't do the work. Okay. And so we'll address that. And now, one of the things that'll aggravate the I'll just be honest, that makes the crap out of me is, a month from now or 2 months from now, and you go, well, could you reopen no, I've got 600 students. I monitor things. That's why I'm a day late on some things every once in a while. You get your act together. You get your work done on time. All right, that's just the way it goes. But most of y'all did really, really well, except for that stupid matching problem. And I think some of you, it wouldn't work for you, and that was too bad. And so what I did was I just deleted it and then hit refreshed on the grades, and I think that thing just went away. That was a bad dream, and I apologize for that. Some of you did it just fine. It worked for you because it worked for me when I did it as a student. And so I couldn't figure out. I could talk to the Top Hat people and spend 30 minutes doing a live chat or even on the phone when I was like, ain't worth it. Just delete the problem. So that's usually my go-to solution if I get 3 or 4 emails on one particular problem. It's like, it's getting in the too hard category. What price glory? Let's cancel this son of a gun. All right. So anyway, the next chapter is all about forces. It's the fundamentals of doing a lot of physics. All right, and we kind of do it a little backwards than we normally do in a class in my physics 210 class. We start with the kinematics and the motion, then we go to forces. I introduce forces to you all first. Okay, so enjoy, and I think this is working swimmingly. You know how I know? Because I went through the grades and all the grades are outstanding. And I'm okay. Get ready for the big sync. I'm going to sync them over to Canvas now. That's always exciting, because here's what's going to happen. Now listen to me, please listen to me. If at the end of the day today, or if you go to Canvas and you've got all dashes there where it lists it lists all the assignments, and you've got dashes, and you go, hey, wait a minute, I did it. Here's what's gone wrong. Let me know. Well, you can actually contact the Top Hat people. I'm going to. That's what you're paying your $56 for them to take care of this problem, not me. Otherwise I'd want the $56. So anyway, but you guys' tuition's paying my salary. So because here's what's happened. You've some of you have changed your logon, your SSO logon. You have to use the original one. All right. Otherwise, none of this, like I use another homework assignment thing for my other physics classes, and students that modified their SSO, so they make it easy. So, like for me, I'd want to change my RC blah 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 to something more like riggs.bob@umkc.edu. If you did that, then it won't show up. So contact the Canvas people. Go to your and have them change your logon to help you change your logon to your original UMKC SSO logon, which I think you can find. I think it's the one that's on Pathway. I don't think that one ever gets changed. All right. So with that in mind, I'm looking for a great thing. You guys are doing great, and this is a lot of fun. So have fun with this next chapter, and I will talk to you when this one's over, unless we start having all kinds of issues.